Hi there, my name is Ashri and this is Gadget 360. And in today's video, I will explain to you the whole process of how to submit your application request to get the blue verified badge on your Twitter account. And trust me, this is the best time to apply for the blue verified badge because the whole process has just been started and Twitter has also released a new verification option right inside the app. So if you want to get the blue tick on a Twitter account, you have to submit a request directly from the app. So before I go ahead with this video and tell you the steps to do that, let me just first explain it to you what is the eligibility criteria for the blue verified badge. So let's get this straight. Not everyone can get the blue verified badge on Twitter. It's difficult to get your request approved by Twitter. In fact, the verified badge is so rare that only 360,000 Twitter profiles are verified right now, which means 0.2% of its daily active users. So to get verified on Twitter, your account must be notable and active. And by that, I mean that your account must fall under any of these 6 categories. So why is the blue verification badge so important? Well, if you are a brand, business or personality, then this badge will build trust among your followers and Twitter users. It will lend a sense of credibility and let Twitter users know that your account is of public interest, authentic and official. Open Twitter on your laptop or phone. The steps are almost the same. Then tap on these 3 lines at the top and go to settings and privacy at the bottom. Then tap on account right at the top and under security you will find the verification request option. Now this option is still not available to everyone, so if you can't find it then you will have to wait to get this feature. Now once you tap on the verification request option, you will now be taken over to your new page to start the verification request. Tap on start request and now choose a category that you fall under and tap next. You will now be asked to select an account type and fill all the details and provide all the links of your work and submit whatever you are asked. Now review all your details and submit your request. And it's done, your request has been sent. Twitter will then review your application and if it approves then you will get the blue verified badge on your profile. But just in case Twitter decides that your account does not meet the eligibility criteria, then your request will be rejected, but you can reapply after 30 days. And the best part is there is no limit to how many times you can reapply to submit your verification request. But just remember, even if you have received the blue tick on your profile, Twitter has all the rights to take it down if your account is intentionally misleading people or violating Twitter rules. I hope you found this video useful. Do share this with others and let me know in the comment section below if you want to get the blue verified badge on Twitter. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you very soon in the next video.